Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Yahoo search from Google Chrome and make sure your browser is back to normal. It's really simple and will only take a few minutes. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you're in, look at the top right corner and you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu. Click on those dots to open the menu, and from there, select Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you see Search Engine on the left-hand side. Click on it, and then under the Search Engine section, you'll see an option called Manage Search Engines. Click that, and it will show you a list of all the search engines available. If Yahoo is set as your default search engine, you can simply click on the 3 dots next to it and choose Remove from List. This will take Yahoo off the list of active search engines in Chrome. If you want to set a different search engine, like Google, as your default, just click on the 3 dots next to Google and select Make Default. This way, whenever you type something in the search bar, it'll automatically use your chosen search engine. And that's it. Yahoo is now removed from Chrome, and you've set your preferred search engine. It's a quick and easy way to get your browser back to normal. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.